Is your toilet running? If the answer is yes, then you better go catch it. All jokes aside, a running toilet can give you a pricey water bill. So we better fix this thing. The handle gets stuck and the flapper won't stop running. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. Alright, it's not super tight, but it's snug. Let's see if we can't move this to an angle over here like that. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Alright, so I loosened this up a little bit and that seemed to work. Alright, we'll try again. Alright, maybe that's all I needed to do was just loosen this up a little bit here. Let's see what it does. Ta-da! So it's just a matter of loosening this up a little bit and getting it just right. And now the flapper seems to be going down like it should. Alright, so that's a quick fix. The problem I had here is originally the seal down there had gone bad, so I replaced that, and then this thing had broke, so I bought another one of these and replaced it. So everything's kind of fit together a little bit funky with aftermarket parts. Alright, we'll test it out one more time. I think we're good. I think I can go ahead and close this thing back up. So that's about as quick of a fix as it can get. You just loosen this up a little bit until it fits just right. And then test it a few times and make sure the flapper closes. There's a few different toilet flushers out there. If you want to replace this thing, just look up the name of your toilet to find the right one. But if you decide to buy a few different parts like I did, just be aware that you will need to check this thing and adjust it every now and then. It looks like there's some water shooting out of the overflow cap. Let's put this hose back in there. They also sell a handle with a metal bar on it. It looks a lot thinner, and it might be this plastic piece is just too chunky and it doesn't fit right. So I think that's the next thing I'm going to try on here, is I'm going to get one of those metal handles. I couldn't find any kits that have all the parts with them, so I have some Amazon affiliate links in the description for the different parts that you can use. If I was doing this over again, I would recommend getting the handle with the metal arm on it. That thing looks so much thinner, and I bet you that would fit in here a lot better. Plus, you can get an option where you can hook a chain to the end, and then you can just bypass this plastic part, because this is where it's jamming up. This part here is bunching up, and then it's putting a lot of friction here, and it's making it too tight to release. So yeah, the nice thing about the one with the metal arm is it gives you two ways to do it. You can try sticking it in this plastic part right here, and if that doesn't work, then you can use the chain option. And then that would free you from this space right here where it seems to be bunching up. Yeah, that's a lot nicer. When we flush it, it doesn't shoot the water back up at us. The handle seems a little bit loose, but it seems to flush good. That's the important thing. If this is too loose, it could fall off on you and then the toilet wouldn't flush. You'd know if it fell off though, because this handle would just come loose. So yeah, if this quick fix doesn't solve the problem, then I would go ahead and go that route. Let me know in the comments if this quick fix worked and it helped you flush your problems down the drain, or if you decided to get the handle with the metal arm on it. Alright, go ahead and close it back up. Ta-da! There we go. All fixed.